I have the Casio F-91W. Let me show you how to quickly set an alarm. So just press the mode button and that takes you to alarm. And now if you want to set the alarm, just press the upper button and that lets you set the hour. So let's say you want to set an alarm for 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so what you want to do is press this multiple times until you get to 6 and then press this light button again. And let's say we want to set it for 6:30, so you can just press this and you can even press and hold for it to move faster until you get to 30. All right, now once you set it to 6:30, I'm currently on the 24-hour clock system, so that should be easy. 6:30 just basically means it's 6:30 in the morning, and then I can press this button again. Okay, so my alarm is set for 6:30 in the morning, and you can see the alarm sound has been enabled. You can see that icon in the top left corner. So that means at 6:30 every day, my alarm is gonna go off, and then I can press the mode to go back to the time. Thanks for watching, and good luck.